All right, so here we are today with my partner's BMW here. How many miles are on this car?
11,000.
11,000. He bought it with 5,000 on it from a BMW dealer?
Yeah.
Okay, so they should have done the oil. Now, this is what the oil filter looked like coming out. So I keep telling everybody about a 10,000 mile oil change, how it's a joke. And they all have excuses. Well, I do 10,000 mile oil changes. That's what it's supposed to look like, right? So I don't give a crap. You're a complete idiot if you do any more than 5,000 miles on synthetic oil. You're a moron, unless you just don't give a shit about the car, which is understandable if you're leasing and whatnot. So the car is 11,000. Supposedly he had an oil change when he bought it at 5. That would mean this is 6,000 miles here. I got a feeling they left it in the car when it was new, and it has 11,000. So if this is what an oil filter looks like in 11,000 miles on oil, imagine what an engine looks like doing 10,000 mile oil changes. And you could try to dispute this all day long. And you can say, well, I got 200,000 miles on my car, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, well, if you're doing highway miles, it's going to make a much bigger difference than if you're doing local stuff. And regardless, you show me a 100,000 mile car with 10 oil changes, and I'll show you a 100,000 mile with 5 oil changes, and I'll show you a better, cleaner car using less oil. And another thing, when you go to these performance tuning shops and you spend 33 grand, and you get a car like that has all the headache that does, you should have came to me first.